Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make hard mutton soft, easy method. Start by trimming excess silver skin, then pound or score the meat to help marinades penetrate evenly and speed tenderizing. Warm up your tools and ingredients, and be gentle with enzymes to avoid turning meat mushy while still softening fibers. Massage the marinade into the meat, cover, and refrigerate so flavors and tenderizers work over time. Please subscribe and like if you are finding this helpful. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: grab an Owala water bottle to stay hydrated while you cook and taste. It keeps drinks cold and fits kitchen shelves perfectly. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Choose a moist heat method like pressure cooking, slow cooking, or braising to break collagen into gelatin. Keep liquids flavorful, maintain low steady heat, and test tenderness with a fork to avoid overcooking.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.